This is our chicken who lays eggs. We also call him the pooping chicken. Are you ready to see what he does? Say yeah! Okay, here we go. First, we have to put some kind of treat inside a little chicken. So we're going to use these M&Ms here. And we're just going to put them inside. Try to fill them up as much as we can, so that we can still close the lid when we're all done. Wow, what color are these M&Ms? That's right, these M&Ms are red, just like the little hair here on the chicken. Okay, I think we've got enough in there. We're gonna close the lid. Now what we do is we wind the chicken up, okay? We don't want to do it too tight, just enough. Okay, are you ready to see what happens? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go chicken! Wasn't that fun? Let's try it again. The chicken does get tired pretty quick, so let's see if we can go a little bit further this time. Fill them up with the M&Ms. Close the lid. Wind them up. If you want to see his feet running, I'll show you. Ready? That's what happens when he runs, and we'll show you the backside here. Whoa! Ah! Let's see if we can get some more out of there. Whoa! Did you see all of those? Whoa! That's it. Okay, we'll refill. That is so much fun, isn't it? I really like this toy. I hope you do too. Keeps us pretty amused around here. We like to wind them up and just let them go wild. Let's see how far you can go. Let's see if we can fit a couple more in there, shall we? What do you think? One more? 2 more? Let's see if we can do 3. Oh, 4. I guess we didn't have him even halfway filled. We can get so many more in there. We just don't want to get him stuck. Okay, I think that's max capacity. Are you ready? Get set, go! Uh-oh, I think he's stuck. Oh, there goes one. There they all go. Woo! You getting tired, chicken? Yeah, I think we better wind you back up. You didn't complete your mission. Oh, you're so silly. Wow, wasn't that fun? Do you want to see it one more time? Alright. Whoa, we tipped him over. Are you okay? Let's give him a little kiss on the head. All better. Alright. So now, we've got all of our M&Ms. He's not standing up straight because he's sitting on an M&M. We've got all of our M&Ms here. And we've got our little chickadee. And we're going to open the top lid. That's his secret compartment where he hides all of the M&Ms. See, sometimes this gets closed. So what we want to do is just wind it up enough for that to close. Or move his leg if you can. Come on, close that lid so they don't all escape. There you go. Open the hatch, and here we go. Actually, should we count while we put them in? Let's see how many we can fit in there, shall we? Okay, he's all empty. Close the lid. Come on, buddy. Okay. There we go. Here we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gotta shake them so they don't get stuck. 7, 8. Let's see if we can see those in there. There we go. 9. Okay, gotta shake them. What's after 9? Number 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Wow. 15. Should we keep going? Alright, let's try to go number 16. 17. How many more can we fit in here? 18. 19. Oh, I don't know. I think that's about it. We can try to get 20 in there, but they might get stuck. Okay, we got 20. Let's see if it'll work or not. Wind them up. Oh, he already let one go. Keep winding. Okay, that's it. Ready? Say 3, 2, 1. Bombs away! Are you sleepy, chicken? Can we get you to do one more round here? Because we still have... How many did we put in? We put in 20. And how many have come out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we have 14 left to go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! He does get tired pretty quick, so let's see. We had 6 before. Now we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 plus 6 is how many? 14, which means we should still have 6 left if we did everything right. One more time, and hopefully we can get the last 6 to pop out. Can you hatch 6 more eggs for us? Yes, I can! Okay, thank you very much. Here we go! Ready, set, go! Oh, there's 3, 4, 5. Where's that last one? Did we miss one? Did we miss one? Or is it stuck? Oh boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did we put 20 in? No, we put 19 in. I guess we miscounted. Well, anyway, you did a very good job. Do you want to just go one more time without anything inside? You want to just walk freely? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, we'll just wind you up one more time. Just to make sure one is not stuck somewhere in there. I didn't see it, though. Hey, you could just walk towards us. Does that sound okay? 3, 2, 1. Wow! Alright, Mr. Chicken says, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a fun time. Come back and see me again soon. Well, there I am. Cluck, 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 cluck.